Hi, this is a file service demo. Here I will take you through the features of our file services, which includes file storage, sharing, access control, and managing the quota. Now let's start. Here you can use file service in many ways as you want. You can create the folders for respective users. Each user will be given the right to create the folder, create files like documents, spreadsheet, presentation in that folder, or if they want, it can directly be uploaded on their respective file service. For example, we have created here a test sheet, Excel file, some sample as a document, and we have some online editor here where you can just directly open the file and do the editing in the browser itself. You can share the file. I'll just open the editor first. Just show you how you can add the values up here. You can add values here, and if the file has been shared with multiple user, any number of user can edit the file and save it, and it will get saved in the file service server. Now, if you want to share the files with multiple users, you just have to click on the respective file. For example, this is a test sheet. I will just click on the sharing. And here, if you want to share it with external user, you can create the share link. But if you want to share with the users you have in your file service, then you can search with their respective names. Like for example, you have your test one, test demo, prabo, etc. I'll just select test one, sorry. Then okay, sweet. Okay, so once the user is added, we can control the permission. We can give them the permission to edit, reshare with other users, or we can set an expiration date for respective files. For example, if we want that file to be accessible for the user only for a week, you can set the expiration uh, only for that week, and once that timeline is reached, the file will become inaccessible for the user. You can also unshare with the user once the file is no longer required for the user to access. You can just click on unshare option, and that user will no longer be able to access that file. So these are the access controls we are having in the file service. You can upload any files, any pictures, any PDF over here. For example, I'll just it's just a drag and drop thing. You just have to select and go to your system, just drag and drop the respective file you want to upload. This is just a picture. I'm just dragging it. So the picture is now uploaded. So this is the picture, and you can see it within seconds on your system, and it can be shared with again the same thing. It can be shared with the list of users you want. You can just add them. You can add a group of user, or you can add a single user as well. Now in pictures, you get the tagging option as well, and if you want a pictures to be searched by tag, you can just give them the tag and search accordingly. So this is about the sharing of the files. Now I'll just show you that how you can assign the quota for respective user. This is the admin panel where you can add the user, and you can give them the username, password that is automatically free. Then you can set them for set one user as an admin for one group, or you can assign them multiple group. But here you will get the option to give them the admin rights over one group. And in default code, as you can see, you can give them uh, the quota where they can upper limit up to which they can upload the file into their file system. So this is about the quota. Now I will show you how you can just access the same. This is through the browser you can access the file service. If you want to access it on your system, you can just map it on your system. You just have to copy this URL and go to the networks on your system, on your laptop. Just click on map network drive. Select the drive. These are the numbers. You can just select the drive and give the URL here and click on connect on using different credentials and then finish. It will ask you for the credential. You just have to give the email ID and password through which you are accessing the file service. Here I'm using mail service 25. So I've just added this onto the system. Okay, so this is the same file service. It is now on my computer. So this is my PC. Here, as you can see, this file service drive is now mounted to my system. You can also use another tool called WinSCP, and here also you just have to, this is a desktop tool, you just have to install it on your system and just have to connect to this file service. You just, the URL we have used in mapping on my local system, you can use the same URL over here and username password. Just log in. As you can see on the right hand side, this is the file service directory. On the left hand side, it is my local system. Now, if you want to upload something, we can just simply drag and drop here as well. You just have to drag from the left hand side to right hand side and it will start copying. Depending on the size, it may take some time. Now the copy is now started. Now, as you can see, the file is now uploaded over here. Now, if you want to use this WinSCP as well, this is also a very good tool. You can just click on in file here and do the editing, and once you save it, it will just automatically save on the server. It is now opening on my system. So demo 3 we have just started. I'll just upload demo 4. This for demo purpose only, and I'm saving it. Now I'll just check on the browser if it is saved or not. So it's not yet saved. Okay. So as you can see, the demo 4 is now uploaded on the server. So this is how you can use the file service and use the online editors as well as desktop tool to edit the different kind of files like Excel, document, PDF, etc. And you can share it among the users in your organization. So thank you for watching a quick file service demo. Have a nice day.